Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove this plastic piece in a Skoda Octavia 2 from 2010. I'm doing this because I need to run some wires in here, so with a plastic prying tool you just start to pry it away. The headrests are a bit in the way for this particular area, so it is a bit annoying because we do have a clip right here. You can see it, so that one is already undone, and we just continue to pull on it and do not break it, so don't bend it. You can see all sorts of clips all the way in, so this is gonna be fun, and I need two hands to not damage anything. And it's out, and these are the types of clips it has. They are quite strong. If this was never taken out, it's really hard to remove them. Try to pull as close to them as possible. This one was moving, and this one also, to not damage anything else. But yeah, the older the car, harder will be to get this, and you do run the risk of breaking a bit the plastic, so be really careful about that. And yeah, the holes in which they will go after I run some wires to the back. Okay, to put this thing back, try to align everything as good as you can and start pushing, and about the same. Something's not aligned, presumably. Yeah. And it's freaking done, or it looks almost done. Not yet, something's not good there. And it's back in, and now I need to clean the headrest, headliner somehow. So yeah, shitty design, really shitty design. Make sure you get the ends in first on both sides and then the rest of it. So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye. Yeah, cleaned it a little bit, looking better now. Yeah, bye again.